Hello trader, welcome once again to Forex Trade 1. Today this is an exclusive video in terms of the strategy, because now, as we have already mentioned, that if you subscribe to our channel, you will keep getting not only the profit updates, but you will keep learning how to maximize, how to optimize the profit from your trading, how can you improve your trading day to day. So this video, if you watch from start to end, you will understand that how the strategy actually works and how can you earn the profit with two different strategies. So this is a two complete different account with completely positive to negative, completely different strategy to strategy with high profit. So we will understand this strategy, and do not forget to subscribe, and you will keep getting such strategies. We are still implementing our strategies, and we will keep uploading such videos. So these two videos here you see on the screen. So first let me introduce you that we have already made the two videos on these two accounts. So the first video, if you see here, it was updated on November 25th, and that was the second part, and the capital was 1300, and here if you see, you are seeing 1000 US dollar. The reason, $320 was deposited and then withdrawn. So this is the screen, and this is the same account which we had updated on November 25th, and you will be able to verify from this previous video to the currently we are making this video. The same deposit is there, 1000 US dollar, 320 withdrawn, and all these trades are holding trades. So the core part of this video is that we are trying to show you that how we have made huge profit from the holding and scalping strategy. So we have two accounts. One account is traded with holding strategy, the second account is traded with scalping strategy. So please understand that today what you will learn is how to gain the profit from holding strategy and how to gain from scalping strategy. So this is the first account which we had uploaded. Now this is the second account which we had uploaded on November 25th, the same day, and this account is traded with pure scalping strategy. And this is this account and this account which you are seeing right now on the screen, and the previous video which we had uploaded, both accounts are same. Account started with 2000 US dollar, and if you observe, this is a pure holding strategy. Order ID you can verify from previous video always. So we always prefer to authenticate ourselves as much as possible. So this is the authenticity, and here if you see, this is you can verify order ID with the previous video. So we talked about this previous video, and always you will find the complete detail in the description here. You will find the complete detail in description. In each and every video we will keep updating our latest information so that you always stay connected with the previous videos. So this was it. Now we will talk about the strategy and how we have integrated two different strategies to make a good profit. So now this is the core part of our video, where you will learn the secret that how to implement holding strategy, how to earn such 1900 ROI to up to 2250% ROI in just 5 months. Now please be informed that both account are 5 months old. So, and started 5 months ago, both account. We have already mentioned the details. Now the first account, it is holding strategy. The second account is scalping strategy. Those who are completely new to the trading, for them the holding and scalping is the holding, that means you hold the trade for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 5 days, up to sometimes up to week. For scalping, it means that you scalp the trade, that means you take few pips in few minutes, sometimes in seconds. So here our strategy is completely automized. We are using high-end servers, high-end equipments to grab the market's movement in microseconds, sometimes in nanoseconds, which is not feasible by humans. It is not possible. Sometimes if GBP USD jumps up to 50 pips, 60 pips, then this our automized system will automatically grab that movement and will capture the profit. So that is called scalping. So this is the difference between holding and scalping. The first account, 1300 USD, gave the profit of 2400 US dollar, 380% ROI per month. Against that, the scalping strategy gave us the profit of 45,000 US dollar, that is 450% ROI per month. Total ROI is 2,250 US dollar in scalping. Now the major difference that we talk about is in holding you can use any broker no matter what spread or slippage or other differences it has. Why? Because you are holding the trade for big pips, big points, and here in scalping it matters. Actually you have to calculate what spreads your broker provides, what slippage your broker does. So we are talking about this point. So in some brokers in market, you can say only 10% of brokers provide this ECN facility or low spread, and high frequency trading, ultra speed execution, everything matters, because in scalping if your broker has a high spread or a very big spread, you cannot earn the profit. If you have a low spread account and high spread account, then low spread account will make profit and the high spread account will make loss. So scalping strategy, everything matters. In holding you do not have to worry about the broker, the spreads, yes it matters, a small difference will be there, but still in holding all brokers will work. In scalping only ECN or low spread accounts will work. High frequency trading or ultra high speed execution, it actually matters. Now the third point we will talk, in holding, as we already talked, that our trades remain open from 1 day to up to 4 days, 5 days, sometimes weeks. In scalping 1 minute to 5 minutes. So here we use time frame from H1, H4, H8 up to. In scalping we use M1 to M5, M15, M30, H1 up to H1. So this is the scalping time frame, because we look at we have to look at from smallest point difference movement to moderate movement. We don't go for high and weak charts. So that's it, the holding and scalping. Now if you see the setup in holding and in scalping, you from our point of view, because we work on research and development, we develop the strategies, so both strategy require a very complex and huge setup. But here in holding we need only 100 charts and 500 plus pending orders. Why? Because we have minimal entries. Minimal means we do not take hundreds of entries. Here we take very few entries, but we identify the levels, we analyze, 100 charts are there, so it is not possible by human. But in complex setup means that here in holding we have a different setup, where in scalping the complex setup has 700 plus charts, 2000 plus pending orders, 30 plus MT4 we require to connect and to grab this very minute movement in the market. So this is the basic difference between holding and scalping. In holding the risk is high. Why? Because the trades remain open. Here in scalping the risk is low, because M2Ms, floating profit and floating risk are very low. Here the very classic example right now, if you see the open trades is $68. In infrastructural cost, if you consider, in holding it is up to 500,000 US dollar. If you consider in scalping, the infrastructural cost went up to 5 million plus. Why? In both these setups, the setup is actually required, but in scalping we require more setups, we require more MT4, we require more number of servers. So that is the reason scalping strategy requires more number of amount. Now these are the both accounts we will analyze just. So this is the holding. As you see, there is open trades. In scalping there are no open trades right now. So here if you see M2M, here it is no M2M, here there are positions are open, and we will wait until it comes to the profit. Even if we require, we will take some. These are the trades, and here if you see, the trades are holding for a very short period of time, sometimes in microseconds, sometimes in seconds, and sometimes we close in 1 minute. So the number of trades in this strategy, because we capture the movement we capture the movement minute by minute, second by second. In holding, we do not have to worry about that. We just focus on the movement, the level, and we add the position as per the strategy. So this is the live running, two live running accounts, and you are watching it. Nobody has done this kind of strategy implementation live in the world. This we always prefer to do it in live. We do not just show the blackboard and we just don't write it. We show it in live accounts. We use our own accounts to implement the strategy. Company uses its own account. We will implement the strategy account for up to 1 year, 2 years, and then we publish the strategy in client's account. So that is the reason of our success, why our clients are getting consistent profit, because company first improvises strategy in their own account for up to 1 year to 1.5 year to 2 years, depending upon the requirement, and then we publish such strategies. So this is the video about holding and scalping, how we have made 1900 to 2200% ROI in 2 different accounts with 2 different strategies, because we follow a strict we follow a strict guidelines. Huge infrastructural cost is attached. It's not a one-man job to gain such high profit from forex market. It's a $6 trillion per day market. So we try to grab maximum profit for our clients as much as we can. Now, as we already talked 2 times, there is no M2M in this account scalping. Here the M2M is open, as this is a holding strategy, so we do not close. Risk is high, preferably high in this account. Risk is small. Why small? Because there are no M2M, no floating, risk is open. Very small profit, very small loss, it will close. It will capture the fast movement. It wait for the movement. We wait for the level. If required, we add the position, we cut the position. So this is the holding, and this is the complete outline of our strategy, holding and scalping. So as we already discussed, that if you want to connect your account with either holding or scalping, you can ask us. We will guide you how to have this set up in your own MT4 account, and our executive will set it up for you completely. Here the sweetest part is that you do not have to do trading by yourself. Whether you choose for holding, whether you go for scalping, our optimized strategy will do everything. So if you have any questions, query regarding our system strategy, feel free to ask us. Our executive will guide you. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.